This is a training module on how to syndicate your content to International Business Times, as well as Seeking Alpha and the Motley Fool. So we're going to start with International Business Times, which I typically do first in front of Seeking Alpha. So I've logged on, and this is the first page that you see when you log on to IP Times. And you'll see here a list of your most recent posts, the posting time and date, etc. So what we're going to do is we're just going to create a new post. So we'll click on this button here called New, and we're just going to copy and paste the information in our article into these sections here. We're going to take the information from the Word docs that we previously created. In particular, you're going to want to use the WithCo's Word docs, which are the Word documents that include the company references. So I have one here for us to use. So this is one of the WithCo documents, and I'll go ahead and select all, copy, and then I'm going to paste into the body here. This extra window always pops up, in which case you just go ahead and paste into this. Alright, press Insert, and there we go. They formatted it for you, and they've kept the links live and everything. The only thing that will not translate through from the Word document is the picture. So just go ahead and delete that there and fix any spacing issues that might have come up. Then we'll just go ahead and copy and paste the title up here. When you scroll down, you'll see there's a section for including a summary, as well as entering keywords, search engine keywords, and ticker symbols. So we'll just scroll back up. We'll copy and paste the summary paragraph into that section down here. The tickers are something that you can get from what is called the cover letter, which is something that will be emailed to you for each headliner that we have at the beginning of the day. I have an example of what the cover letter will look like right here. The tickers are down here at the bottom of the cover letter, so just go ahead and copy and paste those into IV Times under ticker symbol. Then we're going to scroll through the document and pick out different keywords that we might find. For instance, this is the energy report, so we'll include energy as one of the keywords. We also see reference to juniors, also known as junior miners. So we'll go ahead and include junior miners as a keyword. Potash is also one that we can use, as well as some of the countries that are referenced in the article. So we'll just go ahead and type those into our keyword section here. Great, and we'll just copy and paste those into the search engine keywords so that those are uniform. When we're finished with this, we'll just press Submit, and that is it. Alright, so once you've finished submitting to IP Times, you typically want to keep this open. So we'll go back to the home page. And we'll keep this open because we can simply copy and paste the information from IP Times into Seeking Alpha. It makes that process go very quickly. So here I've logged into Seeking Alpha. This is what you typically see. Alright, we'll go up to the right-hand corner where it says the gold, and we'll go to our profile. So then you'll look here on the left-hand side, you'll see articles and Instablog. The number of articles here UC is 215. So that means that Seeking Alpha has posted 215 articles with our content. That's something that they do on their own, so if they happen to pick up one of our articles and they post it, that number will go up. And you'll want to alert the editorial team whenever you see an increase in this number. If nothing's going on and Seeking Alpha has not posted one of our articles, then we'll go ahead and do it ourselves through the Instablog process. So to do that, you click on Instablog, and up here you'll see a link for Write a New Instablog Post. So we'll click that, and you'll see it looks very similar to what we just saw in IB Times. You've got a section for title, an article. So typically what I like to do is I just go back to IB Times, choose the article that you are trying to upload into Seeking Alpha. We'll just use this article from Robert Cohen. We'll open this. And by the way, this is what your content will look like when it is posted to IB Times. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste this whole thing into Seeking Alpha. Oops. Copy, paste. We're going to copy and paste the title into the title section. And here you'll see the date and time. That refers to the date and time that it was posted onto IB Times. So we can actually just delete that as well as the big version of the title. Alright. And the next step is to click on this button called Check Spelling. It won't let you proceed with posting your content unless you've selected the Check Spelling. And it'll highlight things in yellow that it doesn't recognize, but for the most part you'll see that nothing is really misspelled because we go through a very heavy editorial process here. So we usually just assume that everything is correct. Once you've done that, you click Save and go to Next Step. Here you'll see a place to insert ticker symbols and tags, which are also just keywords. For this, we'll go back to our IB Times post, click back. It was a Robert Cohen article that we posted. And we'll just scroll over here to Modify. So click on the Modify button, scroll down, and you'll see our search engine keywords and our tickers. So let's go ahead and copy and paste right into Seeking Alpha. And we'll copy these keywords and paste those under other tags. Okay. Then click Save and go to Next Step. And it'll bring up a view of what it will look like when it is actually posted on the Instablog. So just scroll through this, make sure that everything looks fine. Great, and when you're done and everything looks great, all you have to do is click on the Submit Instablog button. And then you're finished and you just log out. Alright, next we'll show you how to submit an article to the Motley Fool.